Hello everybody and welcome back to Yalan app. In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how to fix Pokemon TCG Pocket private match not working error. So if you're currently having that exact same problem, well then this video is going to be perfect for you because actually I was able to fix it myself and this is how I did it. So firstly, I closed my Pokemon TCG app and instead I went into my settings app on my phone. And then I scrolled down in here and I clicked on general. So I clicked on general in here. I scrolled down again and I clicked on storage. Now what I did in here, I scrolled down in here a little bit until I could find the Pokemon TCG app. So it should be somewhere right here. So just a second. Just keep scrolling down until you can actually find the app. It might be that I have scrolled past it maybe, but I can click on the search symbol in the top right corner as well. And I'm just going to search for it. And as you can see, I can now select the Pokemon TCGP app right here, as you can see. Then I clicked on Upload app in here and I clicked on Upload app again. And we're just going to wait for it to load and click on Reinstall app once again. Now what you're going to do, you're going to wait for your Pokemon app. As you can see, it says loading for me now. You're going to wait for it to completely update to the latest version, because when it's done, you can go back and you can try once again, and hopefully this will be able to fix this problem for you as well.